Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the surface so it behaves predictably. Plug in the original charger and get at least 20% battery because updates can run during initial setup. Once connected, snap on the type cover or fold back into tablet mode depending on use. Press and hold the power button about 2 seconds until the Surface logo appears. When Windows Setup loads, follow prompts to connect to Wi-Fi and sign in. This lets updates and drivers install automatically, which prevents later hiccups. Once done with basic sign-in, you move into configuration to make the Surface secure and fast. Set a PIN and enable Windows Hello if the camera or fingerprint is present. This speeds logins and adds security. Next, open Windows Update and install firmware and driver updates from Microsoft. Make sure to reboot when prompted, because firmware updates often require a restart to finish. Finally, install key apps from the store and set up OneDrive for automatic file backup, so your data. To finish, optimize settings for how you use the Surface so it feels tailored. Open display and power settings to lower brightness and choose battery saver when needed. Configure the pen and touch settings to improve accuracy. Make sure you understand how detaching the type cover or pairing the pen changes input modes. If something goes wrong, try a soft reset first. Hold power for 20 seconds, then restart, and then run the Surface Diagnostic Toolkit. These steps resolve most driver or firmware conflicts without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.